Hey guys, I'm back with a reveal. I already unboxed it, so it's not a true unboxing, but I was in Boston for St. Patrick's weekend. I went to see one of my favorite bands, Dropkick Murphys, and we were staying right around the corner from the Chanel boutique, so of course I had to pop in. This is an item that I saw a picture of on the Purse Forum and called several boutiques and learned that it had been sold out. So then I just kind of forgot about it until I go to Boston, and there they were. So you guys have seen earrings unboxings before. So it comes with the like the receipt, and I had the ribbon on the bag and the camellia. And then they had another, this was wrapped with the ribbon and the camellia too, but I wore them once already, so this isn't an unboxing, it's just more of like a reveal. So these are from it says REV on the code right here, which I think now REV might mean part of their permanent line. It used to be OOV. So anyways, here's the code for these. They were that much. And also there's like a little care booklet in there too. So this is what they came with. It's another pair of earrings. I'm done buying Chanel earrings for the year unless something really wows me, but I had to have these because I'm obsessed with stars and the moon and anything like celestial like that. So look how cute they are. So these are different because everyone knows I hate gold, but the CCs up here are actually set in gold, and then the star and the moon is set in silver. So they're really cute. My camera isn't, my iPhone isn't really focusing good at all. Let's see. Yeah, it's not focusing good. But this is what they look like. So they do have a gold post right here. And on the back, if you can see it, there's CCs etched on the moon. So, like I said, it's gold CCs up here, and then a silver moon, and they have rhinestones. I have my big spotlight on now because it's at night and it's dark, and I needed some light. So I'm going to put them on so that you can see what they look like. They are adorable. I love, like I said, anything stars, moon. Just drop the back. This one also has a CC engraved on the back of the star. Well, this lighting is really crap, huh? You can't even see it. Well, whatever. You guys get the idea. And of course, I dropped the backing. I'm back. Okay, so you'll see. This is what they look like. I think they're so cute. And they're just cute, and they're not too much. You can't even really tell that the CCs are set in gold, which is why I chose to get them, because they look like they're silver because everything else is silver. So I think it's nice because at least they're still silver, and I can wear all my silver stuff. So there's a up close of that and that one. And I also like things that are asymmetric or don't match, so I like that they're different earrings. But anyways, they're so cute. I had to have them, and I'm done buying earrings for the year. So I just thought I'd do a quick reveal, and I will catch you guys in a few days because I have another exciting unboxing of a piece that I have been looking for months, and it is the final check mark on my wish list for 2018. I am done buying for the rest of the year. We'll see. I'll see you soon.